the guide has been chewed into by the wire. So we're going to drill this out and we're going to replace it. Okay, we're going to drill this out. We're going to make that the right size for this piece of ultra high molecular density plastic. This is hard as a rock, but it's also slippery. So we're going to put, okay. Now we're going to fit that in there. Oh, and let the super glue set in there. Now I'm going to drill the hole for the wire through the middle. There we go. Between the blue and the white there. Screw it in here, catch a little bit of the white. This one should be about right here. Screw there. And another one here. There we go. Those are not showing through the middle. Those should hold the white in place. Now I can cut this off. Okay, now we have a completely rebuilt guide. This one will have the ultra high molecular density plastic inside there. The wire will glide through that. It'll never scratch it, it'll never heat up, it'll never damage the wire. This guide's going to go in right here.